Hello guys, hope you're all having a good day. This is going to be unboxing of Final Destination 5 Steelbook version on Blu-ray. Love the Final Destination films, especially like this one. I actually found it really good to my surprise. And I thought I'd get Steelbook. I got it for £5 off eBay used. Comes with some dents and scratches, but only the odd minor one. So on the front we've got Final Destination 5. These don't come off, unfortunately, these age certificates, so it's quite annoying, but there it is. Got a spine with the age certificates on again, and the back, what I find quite cool, but with the writing on. It's unfortunate. And then as we open up inside, we've got two discs, the Blu-ray one and the DVD one. With the red effect, and then we've got an ultraviolet for Final Destination 5 as well. This is the back art to it of the bridge accident. What's quite cool. So that's inside artwork, and that is the back. So that's it guys, that's unboxing the Final Destination 5 Steelbook. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate and please subscribe.